KINGREAL has strict and mature quality control and equipment debugging. Each piece of equipment needs to be adjusted to a perfect state before it can be packaged and shipped. This video uses the Baffle sealing machine as an example to introduce how the equipment is debugged and shipped. When the equipment is debugged, the operator will first carry out feeding and loading to ensure that the raw materials can enter the equipment smoothly, and that the equipment can start normally. Subsequently, the equipment begins to gradually shape the raw materials, and the operator needs to closely observe and adjust the equipment to ensure that the molding quality of the product meets the requirements. After the product is formed, the operator needs to make cutting adjustments, which includes adjusting the position and angle of the cutting knife to ensure that it can accurately cut well-formed products. This step is crucial because the quality of the cut directly affects the quality and appearance of the final product. The finished product is then removed and carefully measured and inspected. Operators use tools to take precise measurements to ensure product size, shape and quality meet standards. If the product does not meet the standard, the operator will continue to debug the equipment and may need to adjust the position, speed, pressure and other parameters of the cutting knife until the product meets the standard requirements. This may require multiple debugging and iterations to ensure that the equipment can stably produce products that meet the requirements. Through this strict debugging process, KINGREAL ensures that each piece of equipment can reach the best condition before shipment to meet customer needs, and ensure that the equipment can run smoothly at the customer's end and produce high-quality products. Welcome to subscribe KINGREAL Machinery.